Good morning, children. Did you study the number names, children? Yesterday we already taken, isn't it? Number names 1 to 10 and tens, 20, hundreds, 10 tens, isn't it? 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. That tens also we already that number names written, isn't it? Did you study that? So we can today also we can write the number names. Before that you have to listen here, children. I already written here century. You know what is century, isn't it? Yesterday we already talked about that. Then century means that is 100, isn't it? Century is 100. Then double century means 200. Double century. Then double of 5. If the number is 5. Then double of 5 means that is 10. Isn't it? Then look here, children. You can see here. How many flowers in my hand now? Only one flower. Isn't it? If we take one more flower, then how many flowers now? 2 flowers. Isn't it? Look here. We can take blue. Blue itself we can take. Okay. Yes. Look here. Now 2 flowers. Then this one is 1 flower. Then 2 flowers. Then the double of this one is this one. Okay. 2. Double of 1 means 2. Then if we take 2 flowers. Look here. How many flowers now? 2 flowers, isn't it? Then double of 2 flowers means what is double of 2 flowers? 4, isn't it? Look here. This one also 2 flowers. Look here. Double of 2. This one 2 and double of 2 means 2 more flowers we want to take. And now how many flowers here, children? 4 flowers, isn't it? Look here. 4 flowers. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. Then double of this 2. Double of this means 4. Sir. Double of 2, 4. Double of 5, 10. Double of 10, 20. Likewise, double of 100. 100 that is century. Double of century means 100 century. Then double of century means 200. Okay. Triple century. Triple century means 300. Triple. 3. Triple century. 300. And what is half of century, children? Half of century? That is, century means 100. Half of century means 50. Half of century means 50. Look here, this one is 2 flowers. 2 flowers here. Then half of this means, in my hand, one is here and one is here. 2 flowers already with me. And half of this means, we can take 1 or leave it 1. Then now only 1 flower with me. Or if we take, yes, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Look here. 3 flowers. Look here now. I have 3 flowers. 1, 2, 3. 3 flowers. And double of these 3 flowers means we can, how many flowers we want to take? 3 more we want to take, isn't it? 3 more flowers also we want to take, children. Flowers, not, I am not indicating the colors. Look here, 3 flowers, then double of 3, that is 6. Likewise, look here, then how many flowers now? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 flowers already with me. Look here, 4 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Half of this means we can remove 2 from the. Then half of 4 flowers, that is half 2 flowers. Likewise, half of century means, look here, century that is 100. Half of that means 50. Half of century 50. Okay. Then century 100. Double century 200. Triple century 300. And half century, that is 50. Okay, children? So that you know, isn't it? The next one. Next, number names. How is writing? Number names, number we can write in figures and write in words, isn't it? Look here, children. This one you know what is the number? You know that is 100. That is the smallest 3-digit number. That is the smallest 3-digit number. And how is writing that, children? 100. That is 100. And next look here, 105. Look here how he is writing. 100, that is in figures. 105. That you know how he is writing, isn't it? 105. Then writing 1. How many hundreds though? 100. 105. And next one, 120. 100, that you know how he is writing. Look here children. 100, that you know how he is writing. And 20 also you know the spelling, isn't it? That I already learned. What is the spelling of 20? T-W-E-N-T-Y. Isn't it? T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. Then 130. How is writing? 100 you know. And the spelling 30 also you know. Isn't it? How is writing 30? T-H-I-R-T-Y. Then what is next? This one. 200. Isn't it? What is that? Double century. Isn't it? Double century. Then you can write it 200. How is reading that number? 200. Write it. T-W-O-2. 100. 200. And 200. Yes, look here. 230. How is reading that number? 230. Isn't it? Then write it 200. T-W-O. 100 you know. 30 also you know, isn't it? Likewise, you can first of all writing number names or reading numbers. For writing number names, you want to study the spellings of 1 to 10, and all tens also. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That also you want to study. 1 to 10, first you have to study 1 to 10 spelling, ONE1, TWO2, THREE 3, likewise up to 10 you have to study. After that you have to study tens names. Tens names, which are the tens children? You know 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 90, that is hundreds. And that is tens. Then 100 also, that is 10 tens. Okay, then that spellings also you want to study. That spellings, that 10 spellings also you can study. Then you can write the number names very easily. If a number, look here, 200 and, yes, how is reading this number? 240. 240, that how is writing? Reading 240, isn't it? 240. So you know how is writing 2. Yes, 2. What is the spelling 2? T-W-O. Okay. Then which number is this? 40. 200, not 40. 242. 100 spelling also you know, isn't it? H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 200. 40. 40. What is the spelling of 40? F-O-R-T-Y. Everyone listen here. 40 spelling. For and 40 spelling, you want listen carefully. 40 and 4. 4. That is 4. F-O-U-R. 4. F-O-U-R. 4. Listen here. 4. F-O-U-R. 4. But 40. Not 40. Not 40. 40. 40. F-O-R-T-Y. In 40 there is no U. There is no U in the 40. F-O-R-T-Y. 40. So spelling 240. F-O-R-T-Y. Okay. Then next step. Then you know how is writing. If you study the 1 to 10 and tens name also you study in words, then you can write every number. Okay. Write in words so that you no problem. Then listen children. Take the page number in 16. Listen here. That fill in the blanks. You listen here. 99 to 112 already given here. So first 99 that already given. 99 N-I-N-E-T-Y O-N-E N-I-N-E 99. Then next one 100. 101. What is next number children? 102, isn't it? 102. So you can write it here 100 O-N-E H-U-N-D-R-E-D 2. TWO, isn't it? Then which one is next? 104, okay. Listen here, words that are already given 105. Then how is writing 105? 105, 105. 105, that is 105, that you can write it here. And next one, 107, that you write in words here. And 108, 108. Then next here, 112. How is writing 112? 112, 1, 1, 2, 112. Okay. Then next one, next number 195 to 206. This 195 up to 198 already given. What is next number? Look here in words, 199. How is writing 199? 199. 199. Then which number comes after 199? That is next 200. Okay, 200. That already written here. 200, 201. Then what is after 201? Which number comes? 202, isn't it? So you have to write it here. 202, 202, 202. 202, that you are writing words and figures. 202, that in figures. And 202 writing spellings also. Okay. Then here 203. Okay. Next one 204. Then last one 206. 200 spelling. You write in words means you write in spellings. Okay. So everyone want to study this for next day. Next day means that is next class on next Tuesday. On that day I will take the dictation also, children. Okay. Yes, dictation, that is number names. Dictation on Tuesday. Tuesday, that is number names. So you study up to 1 to 10 and 10's names, 20, 30, 40. Then you can write it every number. Okay. Yes, dictation on Tuesday, that is number names. And next you can write it. Right from homework. Right from 800 to 900. Okay. And write number names. Write number names or number in words. Numbers in words. That is 106. 207, 219, 25, one more number 215. So these numbers you have to write in words. Okay, these are the homework. First write from 800 to 900 and write the number names. These only 5 numbers, isn't it? Only 5 numbers, but you have to study the number names for next day. I will take the dictation. Okay, bye children.